Alexia, what are you doing?
I'm watching TV, Yellow Chick.
Turn the TV off and tidy up your toys, please.
Okay, Mommy. Okay, put this in the chest. My favorite doll in the chest. My handbag. And my little fluffy teddy. Oh, done, Mommy.
Okay, good girl. Now you can go eat.
What is for dinner, Mom?
A hamburger.
Yum, I love hamburgers.
Okay, come and eat. Lexi, eat your burger first, not your sweet.
Okay, Mommy.
Whoa, slow down, Lexi.
Okay, Mommy, but I already finished.
So quick.
Yes, the burger was yummy and very nice.
Okay. You can eat your cake now, but go slowly. Don't go really fast or you'll get some hiccups.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay, well, I'm going to get something.
Finished, but I can't eat the roll anymore.
It's okay, Alexi. Will you eat so nice? Have some drink.
Okay, Mom.
Let me have a piece of cake. It has strawberries on the top. I love strawberries. Let me get it and eat it for myself.
Here you go.
What was that? Little baby, did you did that?
Yes.
Oh, you poor thing. Let me give you some drink. Here, have some drink.
Okay, Mom.
Is it better?
Here you go.
Oh, poor my baby. Are you okay?
Here you go.
Oh, you have hiccups a lot. Even you kick the table. Let me see on the internet what is for hiccups for my little baby. I got one. Blow the balloon. Little baby, are you gonna blow the balloon?
Okay. Oh, Mommy, it's hard work.
But look, you've done really well. But I guess it didn't help. Let me see what else on internet is for hiccups. Oh, I found something, little baby. Drink lots of water. Little baby, let me give you some water. Drink as much as you can.
Okay, Mommy. But I hope that helps. I drank all, Mommy.
Oh, good girl, Lexi. Let's see if it helps. I think so. There is only one more thing to stop Lexi's hiccups. I don't really want to tell her because it's really scary. So, let me get a needle. Let me pop the balloon. She won't notice. 1, 2, 3. Do you still have got the hiccup? Oh, I'm glad your hiccup stopped. Oh no, not me too.